Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to edit PDF files in LibreOffice in 2026. If you need to modify text, adjust images, or make changes to a PDF document without paying for expensive software, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once the program launches, click File and then Open, and select the PDF file you want to edit. After the file loads, LibreOffice Draw will automatically open the PDF. Depending on the size of the document, this may take a few moments. Next, click on the text or object you want to modify. LibreOffice allows you to edit many PDF elements, including text boxes, images, shapes, and other objects. Now make the changes you need. You can update text, resize images, move elements around the page, or remove unwanted content from the document. If necessary, use the formatting tools to adjust fonts, spacing, alignment, and other visual elements to match the original design. Next, review each page carefully to ensure your edits appear correctly and the document layout remains organized. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click File and then Save as if you want to keep an editable version of the document. To create an updated PDF, click File, select Export as PDF, choose your preferred settings, and save the file. Finally, open the newly exported PDF to confirm that all edits were applied successfully. And that's it, you've successfully edited a PDF file in LibreOffice and saved the updated version for sharing or future use. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.